Ready?
It's a plane.
Hi.
It's Kenzie.
Guess what, Kenzie? Look what Mommy Daddy got for you. Look what Mommy Daddy got that girl a puppy. Mommy Daddy got that girl a puppy. You can let him down. You don't have no dogs back here. Hi, dog. Hey. She's squeezing him.
Well, you gonna put Kenzie down for my own dog. Hey, me? No, K-Man, I just gonna put you.
She said that was catch back. That was catch back. Look, ain't that cheeky? Don't pick her up. Don't pick her up, y'all. Just rub. You see you, baby?
Puppy.
Hi, dog.
The dog trying to get some of the icing, huh? So that's your cake icing you made a mess, huh?
Who, Kenzie?
Girl, I was messing with her. I gave them cupcakes, and I had her. I gave her them there. Well, Kenzie, I said, right here, look. I say, I got her cup. Don't put your mouth. Unacceptable.
You on his tail, mommy?
Look.
Get up here on his tail.
Look at him. Oh, you poor dog.
Yeah, he gonna get
How much did it cost?
$500.
Who answered that?
Okay,
Who answered that?
I want to buy one.
Y'all said it to you for $100.
Let me see how much it is for $100.
What?
Well, get my dog.
Look. Oh, now y'all just wrong. She gonna throw that ball out there so Kenzie can go run for it. And they can keep the dog. Now they wrong. Yeah, go get it. You slick, huh, Kaylin? Look at it.
Ooh! All right. It's only 2 minutes. You see your dog? Mama drove to Sugar Land for that dog.
Oh, Lord.
Look at she running. Y'all heard me holler for? You didn't even say, hey, Kenzie.
Where, in the car?
I was hollering.
Oh, no,
Look at Eric said, ain't that Angela Cole right there?